Welcome back. Now we're on logarithm. So let's quickly talk about the theory of logarithm. We'll just talk about one theory, then we'll go to the laws of logarithm. So we'll go to the laws of logarithm. Now, what we're trying to say, if log a to the power of b is equals to c. Now, if log a to the power of b is equals to c, then a to the power of this c is equals to b. A to the power of this c is equals to b. If log a to the power of b is equals to c, then a to the power of this c is equals to this b. So what are we trying to say? Let's use figures and explain better. For example, if log 10 to the power of 1 is equals to 0, if log 10 to the power of 1 is equals to 0, what are we trying to say? Then 10 to the power of 0 is equals to what? 1. Then 10 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Do you understand? If log 10 to the power of 1 is equals to 0, then 10 to the power of this 0 is equals to 1. If log a to the power of b is equals to c, then a to the power of this c is equals to b. 10 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Let's go again. Log 10 to the power of 100 is equals to 2. Log 10 to the power of 100 is equals to 2. So what are they trying to say? Then 10 to the power of 2 is equals to 100. Then 10 to the power of this 2 is equals to what? 100. 10 to the power of 2 is equals to 100. 10 square is what? 100. I hope you understand. Let's go for the last one. Log 10 to the power of 1000 is equals to 3. What does it say? It says then 10 to the power of 3 is equals to what? 1000. 10 to the power of 3 is equals to 1000. So I hope you understand. So let's solve few examples. Let's just solve few examples. It says find the value of x below. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Now, question 1 says log x to the power of 25 is equals to 2. Let me just write the question. Then question 2 says log 2 to the power of x is equals to 8. Then question 3 says log 3 to the power of 8 is equals to x. 3 to the power of 8 is equals to, 3 to the power of 81 is equals to x. Now, look at these questions now. Let's try and solve these 3 questions so you understand what this law is saying very well. Solution. Question 1 says log x to the power of 25 equals to 2. Now, if you have log x to the power of 25 equals to 2, using the law, it says I can say x to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 is equals to what? 25. X to the power of 2. If log x to the power of 25 is equals to 2, then x to the power of 2 is equals to 25. Now, what can we do? We can say x square equals to, I can reduce this 25 to 5 square, right? I can reduce this 25 to 5 square. So what are we trying to say? Now, they are both having the power of square. Therefore, x is equals to 5. You can just say square root both sides. When you square root both sides, that will be square root of x square equals to square root of 5 square. Square will cancel this, square will cancel this. So what are we have? X is equals to what? 5. X is equals to 5. So, and that's how you solve for question 1. Now, going to question 2. Let's go to question 2. Question 2 says log 2 to the power of x equals to 8. Using the law, what is this? 2 to the power of 8. 2 to the power of 8 equals to what? X. Now, 2 to the power of 8 is equal to, what is 2 to the power of 8? 2 to the power of 8 will give us 256. That will be 256 equals to x. Therefore, x equals to 256. You get it? I hope you understand it. Log 2 to the power of x equals to 8. It means 2 to the power of 8 is equals to x. Then what's 2 to the power of 8? That's 2 in 8 places. That will give us 256 equals to x. Therefore, x equals to what? 256. Now, going for the third one, which is the last one. Now, let's go for the third one. It says log 3 to the power of 81 equals to x. So what are we trying to say? It means 3 to the power of what? X equals to 81. Now, what is 3 to the power of x? That's 3 to the power of x equals to, what is the power of 3 that we are going to get 81? Now, it means 3 to the power of what? 4, right? 3 to the power of 4 will give us what? 81. That's 3 in 4 places. That's 3, when you say 3 to the power of 4, that means 3 in 4 places. That's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's 3 times 3 is what? 9. 9 times 3 is what? 27. 27 times 3 will give us what? 81. So now they're having the same base. What do? That's x equals to what? 4. Therefore, x equals to 4. So you equate the base together and you get your answer. So this is how we get the value of x. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Prof K_24. Please like this video and share this video. Thank you.